Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about force and system of forces. First of all, we should know about the force. What is the definition of the force? A force is either pull or force on an object, or it can be defined as an agent which produces or tends to produce, destroy or tends to destroy the motion. The some types of the forces are displayed in front of you, that is applied force, gravitational force, magnetic force, frictional force, air resistance force, etc. Now we should know about the characteristics of the force. The first characteristics of force is magnitude of the force, then line of action of the force, and after that the nature of the force, that it means either force or pull, and the point at which or through which the force acts on the body. So these are the main four characteristics of force. Here you can see the system of forces. The system of forces, that is the coplanar forces, collinear forces, concurrent, non-concurrent, like parallel, unlike parallel. So these are the some system of forces. So here you can see that the definition of the coplanar forces. So you can see the name, that is coplanar. Coplanar, that means the same plane. That means the forces whose line of action lie on the same plane. Then similarly, the collinear, that it means the forces whose line of action lie on the same line. That is known as a collinear forces. Then next, the concurrent forces, that it means the forces which meet at a point or at one point are known as concurrent forces. It may be the linear or collinear forces. Non-concurrent forces do not meet at any point, or we can say that do not meet at one point. Like parallel, that means these forces are parallel but direction is same. But unlike parallel, these forces are also, that means the line of action of the forces are parallel to each other, but all of them do not act in the same direction. So some of the example of these type of the forces are shown here. So here you can see that first of all you should know about the coplanar forces. Coplanar means that is a single plane. That is x by is a single plane. So all the forces are acting in a single plane. That is a coplanar forces. Then collinear forces. That means line of action of the forces are in the same line. That means all line of action of the forces lie on single line, your same line. That is collinear. Here you can see that coplanar, collinear. That means all the forces are coplanar and collinear also. Similarly, this is the concurrent forces. That means all the forces are acting in the at a point or a single point. Here you can see that the coplanar, that means the plane is same. Concurrent, that means both the forces are acting at a point. And collinear, that means the line of action of the forces are same. That means coplanar, concurrent, collinear forces. Here you can see that they are the parallel forces, but the direction is opposite. That means we can see that unlike parallel forces. Here the another example of parallel forces. Here you can see that the non-coplanar concurrent forces. All the forces are concurrent because all the forces meet at a point, but the plane is different. So that means they are not a coplanar, but it is concurrent forces. So they are the concurrent forces. Here you can see that one of the example of non-concurrent, non-parallel forces. All the forces are not parallel. So directly you can see that non-parallel, but non-concurrent. That means all the forces are not acting at a point. That means non-concurrent, non-parallel forces. So these are the some examples of system of forces. Thank you. Thank you so much.